Hello everyone, this is me Amanpreet, co-founder of Amritpala Vision. So today we are here to discuss more about Canada student visa. We are here with Nancy Kundalia, who has just recently received her Canada student visa and she is going for University of Windsor. So Nancy, congratulations.
Thank you.
So tell me something about your profile.
My name is Nancy Shambhubai Kundalia and I have just completed bachelor's in computer engineering field, and now I am planning to go to Canada for my further studies, and I have choose University of Windsor and my course name is Master of Applied Computing.
Okay, so what made you to choose this university?
First reason is that this university is really famous in Canada, and it also provides me master's degree, and the fees are also affordable. That's why I choose this university, and most of the students from India are choosing this university for their further studies.
Okay, that's great. So what is the course name and what do you think, like after completion of the course, what you are targeting in your future?
My course name is Master of Applied Computing, and after completion of this course I will get job in many fields, like I can work as a web designer as well as web developer and also software engineer.
Okay, that's great. So how did you choose this university and this program?
When I got 6.5 bands and I visited many consultancy, but I didn't find any concrete reason to choose them. But when I visited Amritpala Vision, I met Amrit sir and Aman ma'am. Then they gave me clear idea about my future. They also asked me about my interest, and they also checked my student profile. And after checking my profile, they gave me many many ideas about the university and course, and so after checking all the courses and university, we both choose this university and course for my
Okay.
further studies.
So why you have selected us, like what was the special thing?
I was looking for a good mentor and a career guide for me in Canada also, because Canada is new to me and I never went to Canada. So, and another reason is that they are having a buddy program. In this program, students who are already in Canada from this consultancy can help me in finding accommodation as well as for living a comfortable life. So these are reasons that I choose this consultancy.
That's great. Do you think career guidance is as important as getting a visa?
Yes, definitely. Career guidance is really important, because most of the students are going to Canada, but they don't know about the future after completion of the course. And I have visited many consultancies, and these consultancies were just asking me about my GIC, bank balance, as well as colleges and courses. And they were not giving me proper guidance about the job that I will get after completion of the course, and this is what I get from this consultancy.
Okay, that's great. So what tips you wanted to give to the students who are planning for Canada?
I would like to suggest all the students that they should appear for IELTS, and they should choose the course which suits their best interest, and they must contact Amritpala Vision for getting student visa of Canada, because they are really helping for getting accommodation as well as for choosing our career and best colleges as well as courses.
Sure, thank you so much. So there are many students who are going to Canada, but not all of them are successful. So the best takeaway from this video is, don't rely on the information what you get, but always search the information on your own. We at Amritpal not only help the students to get a visa, but also we help to select the best country, best program, best universities according to their profile.